Hey little dolphins, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be opening it's blue glitter Nickelodeon light up slime. I got it from Walmart in the toy aisle and it lights up. See, if you can see the little light over there, yeah, it lights up. It says light up, and I was really wondering how it lights up, so that's why I thought it would be really cool to make a video of how it lights up. So we're gonna get it open. It has this plastic seal at the top, and I hope it's good, because this is my first time having it, so I've never seen light up slime before, so that's why I'm kind of curious how it's gonna be. So, ooh, so it actually has a little ball. It doesn't actually light up. Whoa. Okay, so it's not so gooey. So it's a ball. Don't get tricked, because it's a ball. I'm telling you right now, don't get tricked because it's actually a ball in there. See, it doesn't light up anymore. Only the ball inside made it light up. So they made it look like it lights up, but it's actually a ball. But anyways, let's get to the slime, how it feels. Whoa. It comes with so much. Whoa. This is a lot of slime. And it's so much fun. It feels so nice. Only if you do like hold it like this, it sticks to your hands a bit. But if you do that, it's nice. It feels really good. And I really love it. Whoa. Woohoo! It really squashes and farts. Especially if you do this. You can make a big bubble over the container. And we'll make a big bubble. Got it stuck. Let's see how much more there is in here. I want to get it all out and see how much it has. This is a lot of slime. Yeah, so it takes a while to get it out of the container. If you want to get all of it. Not if you want to get some of it out, it doesn't take a long. It takes like a minute or two to get it all out. Like if you scrape the corners and all the edges, you want to get all of it out. The container will like look clear, like this. I can't believe how much this slime can fit in this small container. Oh, I love it. It's so gooey. It feels so cool. Whoa. How would it play with the lights? So don't get fooled thinking it's actually an ingredient that makes light. It's a little light thing. It's a ball. It's not actually light up slime. It's just a ball that lights up to put in the slime. I think this was worth the money. It was about $5 with the tax, $5. It was about $5 to get this whole thing, slime. That's with the tax, $5. And I think it was worth the money. For this, I think it was worth it. And there was different ones. There was glow in the dark, there was color changing and light up. And it doesn't light up forever, the ball. It stops lighting up. Takes a long time to stop though. Yeah, see, it stopped. If you like drop it back in, it lights up again. So if you like touch it or hit it like this, it'll light up. We tap the container when it's in. So I think this slime was really good. I think it was totally worth the money. I'm going to make a big bubble now. I wonder if it'll work. I'm going to test the slime and see if it's slimy enough to make a bubble. Whoa! That was cool. I would rate this slime a quadrillion. What's the biggest number in the world? I don't know. Infinity. It keeps on going. I think this slime is super cool. I'm so glad you guys watched this video. Please subscribe if you liked it. Tell me if you think it was worth the money. And thanks for watching. Bye, little dolphins.